Welcome to an in-depth summary of Tony Robbins' groundbreaking book, Unlimited Power. Get ready to unlock the secrets to achieving peak performance and personal freedom. The core of the book begins with the concept of state. Your emotional and physical state dictates the quality of your life and performance. If you control your state, you control your results. Here's the hook. What if you could instantly change any area of your life? Robbins teaches that this isn't fantasy, but a skill. You just need the right tools and strategies. Unlimited Power is a blueprint for peak performance. It provides the tools of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, to model human excellence and rapidly achieve your goals. Peak performance isn't random. It's engineered. By mastering your mind and body, specifically your physiology, you can consistently access your best resources. Robbins distills success into the, quote, ultimate success formula. Know your outcome, take massive action, develop sensory acuity, and maintain flexibility. First, know exactly what you want. Be specific. Then, the most crucial step, take massive, focused, and persistent action towards that outcome. Sensory acuity means paying attention to results, reading feedback. Flexibility means adjusting your approach until you get the outcome you desire. If it's not working, change it. The science behind this achievement is NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. It's about understanding the language of your mind and programming it for success by modeling the best. Your state is immediately affected by your physiology, how you use your body. Stand tall, breathe deeply, and smile, and your emotions will follow, instantly shifting a negative state. Anchoring is the technique of associating an external stimulus, like a touch or a word, with an intense emotional state. This allows you to instantly trigger powerful positive emotions whenever you need them. Your beliefs are the hidden commands to your nervous system. They determine what you believe is possible, and thus, the actions you take. Beliefs are the road to excellence or stagnation. Limiting beliefs are the invisible boundaries that hold you back. If you truly believe you can't do something, your mind and body will ensure you're right. Change your beliefs. Change your potential. The Dickens process is a powerful NLP technique for rapidly changing limiting beliefs. It involves associating massive pain to keeping the old belief and massive pleasure to adopting a new, empowering one. Robbins outlines 5 key habits or disciplines that lead to wealth and happiness. These habits are essential for sustaining unlimited power in your life. The first habits include having a focused purpose, a clear why, and mastering communication, both with others and with yourself, which is crucial for influencing outcomes. Next, cultivate the habit of managing your state daily, using techniques like anchoring. This allows you to consistently take effective, high-quality action, aligning with the ultimate success formula. The final habit is contribution, the habit of giving beyond yourself. True and lasting fulfillment comes from helping others and contributing to a cause greater than yourself. You now have the knowledge from Unlimited Power. The power is within you, but knowledge without action is useless. Subscribe and let us know which concept resonated most. Remember the key takeaways. Master your state, change limiting beliefs, and live by the ultimate success formula. Know your outcome, take massive action, and be flexible. Don't wait for motivation. Create it. Take the first step today to implement these powerful tools and start living your life with unlimited power.